So here we go. So immediately as you walk in, you can see those big double beds. And then what's really good is there's this kitchen to the right, or a kitchenette you'd call it. So as you can see from the size of the room, it's pretty big, and there's some really good views out this window as well. So I'll show you the views, I'll check out the beds. Maybe I'll check out the bed now. It's pretty firm but soft at the same time, so it's a good bed. And it's all clean, so that's good. You can't really wish for much more in a room, right? But you can see it's a really big room. I paid $150 a night for this room, so really quite cheap. Considering this is a budget universal hotel, this is really good value for money. Okay, so getting back to this kitchenette, you get 2 chairs just there on this picnic table, a little buffet there. I call it a puff, don't know what else you'd call that, or a footstool. A bench out there, this pulls out so you can all sit together if there's a few of you. So I think this room really sleeps 6. A nice fridge there, I haven't got anything in it yet. A microwave, you've got a little sink there as well. Plenty of storage up here to put your little items. I've got some vitamins that I've just put there. Nice lighting, it's very bright in here. It's got some really nice lighting. A mirror at the end, so you can, see if you're ready before you leave the room, which is always nice. A little surfboard there, like I say, this is Dockside Inn, so it's like a surfing theme to it, as you can see by the artwork just up there. It looks really quite nice, to be honest with you. And this thing here, it's a bit strange. So it's a chest, but you can't open it. So it's just a bit weird really, but anyway, there's an alarm clock there if you need it. Lots of USBs as well, and USB-Cs, which is interesting. So that's good. We got a nice big TV on there, looks around about like a 42-inch TV, quite a good size. Got some little hooks there. So one of the things in this room is storage. There is an issue with storage. So we've got another room, exactly the same as this, with all our stuff in it. And I got this room so I could do some overnight working, because I didn't want to disturb the family working at 3 o'clock in the morning, because we're here in the US. So I got this room, and they gave us an upgrade and gave us this room. So cool. But the storage, so there is 5 of us, so I've got 3 children and 2 adults. And to put all the cases everywhere is a little bit tricky, but it does work. So some of the options that you have got, let me show you. So you've got these drawers, all in here, Bible, standard. These drawers that pull out, which are quite cool. But then underneath the beds, I don't know if you can see that, there's quite large spaces either side, just there. So you can actually put your cases in there. So that's good. And like I say, you can hang some stuff up on the bottom down there if you really want to, but it's what it is. And then there's like a phone just there as well, so you can call reception. Some more artwork. Then this is leading into the bathroom. So here's her sink, and that's pretty much it. Oh, is there a drawer? No, there isn't a drawer. So that's pretty much it really. You've got a hairdryer, which is cool, and that's where we've got a lot of stuff in the other room under there as well, so you can see just down there. There's all under here as well. We've got stuff, we've got all shoes and bits and pieces like this in the other room, so you get both of those cupboards just there. A little coffee maker as well. The coffee's actually quite nice, to be fair, it's not too bad. And you get a drawer full of coffee stuff, which is quite good. Go into the bathroom, I guess. Let's have a look. Let's turn the light on. So a cosy bathroom, nothing out of the ordinary, so to speak. But yeah, that's it there. And you've got like your standard shower. It's one of these things, so you can hang up your wet washing if you need to. And then there's a bath just a small like a half bath kind of thing. But the kids are fine with that. It's got like a non-slip surface on there, so that's good. A little towel rail there as well. Okay, so now going into the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You've got a little cupboard here, which you've got an iron in, and an iron board, and you've got one of those suitcase holders in here as well. I've just got a shirt ready for tomorrow. You've got extra pillows and stuff up here. Again, in our other room, we've got cases on the top, loads of extra hangers in there. A double bed, nice big double bed. So that's good. Pretty much that is the room. There's not really much else to it. You got a light either side just there, so that's handy. And then over here we've got another big telly, same size as the one in the other room, I think. It looks, you know, and you've got like this shelf here where you can put, there's hooks again that you can put stuff on, and another little light. But that's pretty much the room. Yeah, that's it really. Oh, the view. Let me show you the view that we've got. Right, so if I turn off some lights, otherwise you won't be able to see very well. I'll turn off that one, perhaps that one as well. Hold on a momento. Right, and then got these weird pole things. Still lots of backlight. Hold on. Just turn that one off as well. Right, we're in the dark now. Let's show you the view. Okay, so that's the end of the video. This is the Universal Suites Dockside. If you did like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps out the channel, helps us reach other people, allow other people to see the great videos that we put up. And I do hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. And catch you next time. See you later. Bye.